Now the next point is derive equation of continuity of steady flow of incompressible fluid. So here we have considered incompressible fluid. This is the property of ideal fluid which is incompressible in nature. Now here in this figure we can see we have considered three different streamlines at point P as well as at point Q, and these three streamlines forms like tube, and this tube is known as tube of flow. Clear? And here we can see we have three different points at which we can consider three different cross-sectional area. At point P the area is AP, at point R cross-sectional area will be AR, and at point Q the cross-sectional area will be AQ. And similarly we can also consider the velocity of fluid particles at different points. So at points A the velocity will be Vp, at points R velocity will be Vr, and at point Q the velocity will be Vq. Right. Now we want to derive the equation for mass. Before that, here the flow is steady. Here the flow is steady, and what it means, if the flow is steady, so the number of particles passing from P, Q and R are same. Right. Due to the steady flow, the particles, fluid particles which passes from point P, from point R and from point Q are same. It is because only of steady flow. Right. Now let us derive the equation of mass. Equation of mass of fluid. First of all we will derive the mass of fluid at cross-sectional area AP. At point P we have considered the cross-sectional area AP, at which we will derive the equation for mass. With velocity at point P we have the area AP, and velocity is Vp in particular delta t time. Clear? So mass at point P, what will be the mass at point P? The equation for mass, which is we know the equation of density rho, which is m by v, and from this equation the mass will be rho into v. So here mp, which is volume into density. Now in case of volume we can also simplify it. So volume, which will be simplify it like area into displacement of fluid particles. So here we have considered at point P. So after delta t time the fluid particles displace from particularly this position to this position, and this will be our displacement at particular point P. So here we have considered the displacement into area, which will be the volume. So A into displacement into density, which will be the equation for mass P, and again we can simplify the displacement like displacement will be V into velocity at particular point P into delta t, and area at point P, which is AP. So AP Vp delta T into rho. So this will be the equation for mass at point P. Clear? So similarly, we can also derive the equation for mass at point Q and mass at point R. So the equation for mass at point R will be AR VR delta T into rho. Here delta T and rho will be constant throughout in all the masses, right? And similarly for mass at Q, which is AQ into VQ into delta T into rho. So this will be the equations for mass at point P, mass at point Q and mass at point R. Now we know in delta T time, mass entering in delta T time, mass entering is same as leaving from the flow of tube, right? So here we have considered the fluid which is that flow is steady. Yes, here it is. The flow of fluid is steady. That's why the mass that enters at point Q, which is equal mass which leaves at point Q, right? Because the flow is steady. That's why the mass entering at particular point which is equal to the mass leaving at that point, right? So in general, we can write MP equal to MR equal to MQ from the condition the flow is steady, right? Now here we have the equation of for that AP Vp delta T into rho. Similarly AR VR delta T into rho, and at last AQ VQ delta T into rho. So delta T and Q will be cancelled out, right? So after that we have AP equal to AP into Vp, AR into VR, and finally AQ into VQ. So this is the equation of continuity. This is the equation of continuity. So in general, we can write AV, area into velocity, AV which is constant, and from this relation we can write V is proportional to 1 by area. V is proportional to 1 by area. So AV gives the, here we can write what is AV. AV, which is nothing but it is the volume flux. You can say AV is the volume flux or flow rate So this is the equation of continuity for steady flow of incompressible fluid.